Hey y'all, welcome back to a new video, or welcome if you are new. My name is Kimmy, and today we're going to be doing some slow homemaking on this Sunday. And I started out this morning by making biscuits, so I thought that I would just take y'all along my morning today. I've got some gardening things to do later on, so this should be fun and relaxing. So if you would like this biscuit recipe, I will leave it in the description box down below. I have made this 3 times now, and this time it came out the best. I was actually able to cut it in the middle and put some jelly on it. The other 2 times I've made it, they just kind of fall apart. But what I did was 2 cups of, I think, all-purpose flour or self-rising flour. But the recipe will be down there if I get anything wrong. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of confectioner's sugar, half a cup of Crisco. You can also get the Crisco that's butter flavored, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 cup of buttermilk. Now the recipe calls for 1.5 cups of buttermilk, but Erin and I found that that was just way too wet. So we do 2 cups of the flour and 1 cup of the buttermilk, and it turns out great. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Once we get these all mixed up and put in the pan, they're going to go in the oven for 12 minutes until golden brown on the top, but everybody's oven varies, so just keep an eye on your oven. But these turn out so good. They're perfect with jelly. We had ours with ham today. We've had ours with gravy, like sausage gravy as well. A really good southern treat, especially on a Sunday. So 400 degrees Fahrenheit, in they go to bake away. And now I'm going to get everything picked up that I used, all the dirty dishes in the sink, and we'll get those dishes done after this. If you are enjoying this video so far, I would love if you would share this video with a friend or on your social media for other people that may be interested in homemaking. So now I'm moving into the living room. It is such a pretty day outside today. We've had a couple of days of just gloomy weather. So I wanted to get all the sunlight in here as possible. I'm just going to go around and open up all the curtains and open up our front door. I got this dress recently. It is one of my favorites. It is so comfortable and colorful. They actually do have different colors, but I am as bright as can be. So I'm carrying these few pieces of clothing to my office where I keep my clothes in my closet, but I will link this dress in the description box down below just in case any of y'all are interested in it. Our rug in the living room has been crooked for a few days now, and it is time for me to fix that because it has been driving me nuts. Also, if you notice the fireplace going, we always have the fireplace turned on, but it's actually not heating up the house, although it can. We just like the ambiance of it. Our biscuits are done. They're golden brown on the top. You can cook them as long as you want, depending on how you like yours to look. But I just stab them with a fork to make sure they're cooked all the way through. I've set them to the side, and I'm going to get started on our country ham this morning to have with breakfast. And now I'm just getting my diffuser going, and today I'm using the P&J Trading brand off of Amazon, and this one was in their spring collection. It's the Lotus Blossom scent. It smells amazing. I love floral scented essential oils and anything like woodsy and earthy. So that's definitely one of my go-tos, especially during spring, because it just has this really nice, fresh, clean smell. So I will link these as well. She has been asleep this whole time with Aaron as I've been in here. She was rolling all over the bed in excitement. She's happy to be up now. It is a pretty day. My bird feeder is pretty much empty, so I'm going to go ahead and get that refilled, and then I'm going to go back inside and fill up my water jug, and we're going to go around and water all of the seeds and plants that I have out there. I'm so excited to see my sprouts come in. I keep looking, but I know it's probably a little too early for them to sprout, but I cannot wait to see that happen.
It's a little warmer today. That's great. I put the honey out just in case.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see y'all back here tomorrow. Bye.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting.